Tonight, there's a plea deal in a federal court case involving a hidden bunker, homemade machine guns, and thousands of rounds of ammo. Today, 62-year-old Ray Steele pleaded guilty to unlawful possession of a machine gun. The lead man wasn't allowed to have a gun because of past crimes in South Dakota and California. However, about a year ago, authorities got a tip that Steele was having someone buy him parts so he could build guns in his basement. He also admits converting semi-automatic rifles into fully automatic machine guns. The 2024 investigation turned up 7 guns, along with a man-made bunker at his home that was only accessible through a small hole that you had to crawl through. Inside the hidden room, authorities found ammo, a gun safe, food rations, gas masks, and more. In exchange for his guilty plea, a second charge was dismissed. Steele will face up to a decade in federal prison when he's sentenced.